Vlogging time. Alright, where are we going, everybody?
Greenville.
Greenville. To see who?
My dad.
Daddy's daddy. And what else are we gonna do, Millie?
Go to the park.
Go to a park. Anything else?
Gas station.
Gas station. Tipsy Taco. Anything else? Crickets. I hear crickets. Come on, people. Be excited.
There's no plan. The plan is not to have a plan.
Sometimes I like that and sometimes I don't.
I don't
All right.
remember asking.
What? Alright, see you in Greenville.
This fell. I don't know how.
What fell?
My camera.
Oh.
Hello.
No. I should have brought this with us, but I didn't think about it. We just got a bunch of peaches.
Yep.
From a
And some
roadside stand
popcorn.
market.
Got peaches and popcorn.
Peaches and popcorn.
Peanuts.
And peanuts.
Popcorn and
And
peanuts.
peanuts.
Popcorn, peanuts, and peaches.
3
You gonna-
peas.
You gonna show inside the bag?
If I can. Peaches.
On the road again.
Where you go?
We just can't wait to get on the road again. I wanted to say Elmo. Elmo, what does it go with that? You don't know the talking Elmo. We made it to one of our favorite restaurants, Tipsy Taco. Hi, Millie. 2.5 hours later, and we're here. What you eating, Millie?
Chips and queso.
Yum. Cheese. Dun dun. Shh. I said cheese, and then I said dun dun. Sorry.
Yeah, because we're eating cheese. Thank you.
Nutrition isn't
Where are we
about
going, Millie?
dropping pounds so you can look good 3 months from now. Don't get me wrong,
what
you will drop
is
weight,
great about this
you will
park?
look better than you have in years, and you absolutely will need
Rock climbing wall, big
That's not
hills.
PhD's primary
They can
focus.
slide
Their
on.
primary
Yep.
focus is to help you achieve your goal
Things-
weight and
a lot of things to
maintain
climb
that
on and
shape,
climb
not
over.
just 3 months from now, but 3 years from now, and 10 years from now.
Go fill the water, Millie. Watch out. Is it cold?
It's actually not that cold.
Child, please. Oh. Yeah, that's cold.
What are you talking about? That is not cold.
Okay, I'll make sure I don't trip. You can go. I'm following you. Just making sure I don't trip. This playground's pretty cool with all these big hills and stuff you can climb. We're heading to the rock wall.
Careful.
Good thing for good rubber feet or shoes. Come on, Mildred. Does it slide?
Go on this side. It'll slide this way. Well, blame it on your pants. Your pants aren't good for sliding. There you go, a little bit. He started off fast. That's a steep hill.
Mom. Okay, I made it this far.
That's a long way down. Oh, Millie. Wait. Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna. Girl. She just jumped out. Mommy's coming.
My foot slipped
Oh, did it?
off of a rock, and I just went the rest
Oh,
of the
Lord,
way.
I can't find the.
I don't even. Here, hold on, wait.
I can't find where I put my foot. Okay, where is it? A little bit more right there. Woo! Okay. No, that one's not steady. Hold on. Your foot right here.
There.
Okay.
It's
There
one
we
right
go.
there. Just, Mom, you're not that far off the ground. Just jump.
I know, but
Jump.
I'm trying to be a real rock climber here. I don't want to jump to my death. Okay. Got it. Whew. That was scary. Yeah, I found the good sturdy ones that have a lot of room for your feet to sit. Dad's got an advantage because he's tall. He can reach higher up. Come on, Jimmy. Good job, Millie. But you just fell to your death.
Ow.
See?
No, that hurt.
What'd you do? Hit your stomach on one of them?
Yeah.
Girl,
I jumped.
we can't have no injuries now.
I jumped there.
Grown-ups can have fun too.
Oh, jeez.
Got it, Millie?
I'm scared to go on this one.
Be brave, girl. If you fall, you won't fall very far. Good job, Mills. Well, it's my turn, and this is scary. Oh my goodness. I might need some help. It's not that far down. Oh my gosh. Wait, why? You can't come my way.
I'll go this way.
Okay, where are you going? Look at, oh, shut up. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Jimmy, come here.
No.
Mom, I
Oh,
was
my
scared.
legs are shaking.
I know that happened to me. My legs are shaking. I'm a little nervous on this rope.
Okay.
I made it here. I made it here. May
That's the scary part right there. Alright, so now you go that way.
I know.
Oh man, how hard is it? Is that part hard?
You have a rope.
Okay, well that's good.
I'm a little scared.
Teamwork. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jesus.
Oh my god. I don't know if this rope will. I'm gonna pull it back on.
See if you can do it without the death grip on the rope.
That's what it's here for. Did you do it without the rope?
A little bit.
Yeah. Which way did you go? This way?
Down this way and then back up.
Ooh, that's scary.
Why should we not?
No.
Finally.
Ooh.
Not as hot.
All right, go for it, Millie. Go for it. Ooh. What you eating, Millie? What you eating?
Cookies and cream.
Let me see it. On the other side. Yum.
Kind of just like banana.
Oreo cookies. Yep.
No.
Daddy's got his bear. And I'm drinking water. And Millie too. Dad's got yours. All right, Daddy, what beer are you drinking?
Is it just
This one is 2 Mama or something like that.
That one's too Mama. Oh,
The
do you
other
like
one's
it?
Valhalla. I like them both. They're okay.
That's a Mexican lager, and what was the other one?
IPA.
That one. They switched beers.
because
Because Grandpa didn't like the other one. Is that scary?
My pants are coming down. My pants are coming down. What's the thing?
Okay, go.
I'm going.
So you had a good property, but you felt like
She's trying to go down backwards now.
That's warm.
Oh Lord, here she goes. Hold on. That doesn't make your butt hot?
No.
All that
Pants on.
friction.
I
That's
kinda
funny.
wanna go up that steep part.
All right, go for it. Way at the top. Woo. Bam! Oh, you could have flipped at the end. All right, super high now. All right, Billy, you ready? Beer number 2. Water number 2.
Well, this is like third water.
Yours is really good. Huh?
Mine's like this is like my fourth water.
4th water.
Some family was it?
On to brewery number 3.
The suspect who was arrested yesterday.
So the first one we went to was
spotted a
Pangea.
driver who
The
was
second
wearing
one
a
we
ski
went to
mask
was
and running over
Community Tap.
100 miles per
Now the
hour
third
on
one.
I-85
Third one we're
Tuesday
going to is
afternoon.
Grapes and Gray.
He's our brewmaster still.
Alright people, where are we heading to now?
4 aces.
4 Aces. Because Millie wanted to go. I'm going to vlog what we're eating this time and I'm not going to forget. I am. Y'all got to remind me. Okay. We didn't do a family shot like we normally do. Everybody lean in. Cheese. Your turn, Dad. I didn't do it. What is that?
I don't know. Let's see. Do it. Process it in your head.
Turkey food.
This ain't gonna work.
So we're waiting for a table. It's going to be about 20 to 30 minutes. We were about to leave and Millie had this sad puppy dog look on her face.
I didn't want to go.
Why do you like 4 Aces so much? Millie's eating some crab dip.
She does not like the crab dip.
Nope. Are you my child? I don't know if you're my child. My child wouldn't be eating that. Here's my grilled chicken sandwich with a baked potato. Millie's dinner.
Never figure out if it's well,
Dad's dinner.
you know that.
Baked pita with tots.
These expensive over there.
A burger and tots. Yeah. Our last stop is Brewster's because we don't have one of these anymore where we live. Yep. Hey Millie, what'd you get?
Cookie dough ice cream.
Yum. I might ask for a bite. Can I have a bite? You're not gonna say no to your mama on camera, are you? I didn't think so. Wait, I didn't get any cookie dough.
Oh, and I think neither did I my first bite.
Alright, find me a little piece of cookie dough. Mmm. Yum. What'd you get, Dad?
And a peanut butter cream.
Is it good?
I like my milkshakes better.
Which means I'd probably like that.
Try it.
Let me try it. While we're at the stoplight. Nah.
Told you.
Oh, it's okay.
Look at her shoes.
That girl's got some fluffy shoes on.
Looks like you're walking on two dogs.
I like peanut butter, but not in stuff. Kinda. We're leaving Greenville. Is everybody sad or excited? Sad. Millie's indifferent.
It's because she's so full of sweets and everything else.
Yeah. It was a good day.
Yeah, quite beautiful weather.
We just set up some breweries.
Park.
Y'all had some beers, the park, and some restaurants.
Got some waters.
Park.
Mm-hmm. Some waters. Yep, me and Millie had some waters. Greenville's got some good water. Didn't they win an award for having the best water?
If they didn't, they should.
It's really good. Alright, yeah. See you later. Everybody wave.